Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Today it is Sunday late afternoon. I stopped by the store real quick to just kind of do a quick video. I did one last week, but unfortunately it never posted, so I'm gonna try to do one video a week for you guys like I've been trying to do. But this is what I've got, just a very small, well, two small transactions that I did. On this account, I did get a booster. It is a newer account, so I'm not sure if that's the reason why I got one, but that booster was to spend $45 to get back $10. And I was also tracking, this was my fourth transaction. So my tracking booster was to spend 34 times to get back $20 in Walgreens cash. So, yeah, guys, and I got this account, unfortunately, wasn't because I was trying to open another one, because I've got like tons of Walgreens account, but I was trying to teach somebody to coupon, and then she just didn't want to do it anymore. So I was like, I'll just take over your account, blah, blah, blah. So hence I inherited it. And another thing is too, my husband has a birthday this month and my sister, and they both have accounts. However, it did not print anything back. Like we normally get like the birthday booster. I didn't get that either. So maybe that's something Walgreens is also changing. So you guys let me know if you have had birthdays in the past couple of months. I think the last one I had with the birthday booster was in May. So, and that did print back then. So I know things are always changing with Walgreens. So that's why I just kind of like wanted to print that out to let you guys know that that was not printing. And while I was in store, I did take a few like footage and stuff like that. I'll try to insert them on here if, you know, if possible. If not, then that's that, because I started filming in store and that was just not working out for me with the noise and just with me having to go. So I was like, I'll just come and I'll do everything back here. And you guys let me know what you want. Do you prefer in-store videos or just something like this where I can go over it? Let me know. Also, if you guys are new, welcome. Go ahead and take a moment to subscribe if you haven't. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys for returning. And if you are a returning subscriber, I extremely do appreciate you. And if this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate it. And also give the video a thumbs up. If you find these deals helpful, go ahead and give it a like and share it too. I did make a little mistake in store, and I'll explain why that happened. And also just a caution for you guys to always be careful of what you're picking up. Just before I end, I am starting a new YouTube channel. I said all of this in my last video that did not upload, but I'll put the link in the description box below if you guys want to follow that journey. So, I've had to deal with the doctors and stuff like that. So I have like some health issues. You guys probably know about my son, but I had some health issues. So I'm starting kind of like a healthy challenge kind of thing, just to kind of keep me accountable. Because I'm the kind of person, I'll start something, I'll be good with it, and then life gets in the way, and then it never gets done. So enough of that. I'll put the link below, and you guys can follow on that journey as well. So I am on my way to try and hope to lose about 80 pounds. And then I'll go in depth maybe on another video on that. But I just kind of started that. And yeah, we'll see where this go. All right, so let's get into it. So I did two transactions. The first transaction was with the Oral-B, which is these ones right here. And these are the wrong Oral-B products that I picked up. These are actually more expensive, and they're not in that promotion. For when you buy two, you're gonna get back $3, I believe. So these are not included. These are $5, even though I think they were probably in the wrong spot, and this was my fault. I didn't check, but they were in the wrong spot for $3.50. And then we have the Tresemme. They are 2 for $12, so $6 a piece. We do have a $5 coupon for this. And I checked my fetch. I thought I had a fetch rebate. Unfortunately, I don't have that rebate, but I do have like a Unilever rebate, but it's not tracking for Walgreens. I think it should though, but it's not. All right. And then on this, we do have a $3 coupon off of 2. I picked up the gold bond because I wanted to get my total over so I can use $5 in Walgreens cash and also use the $5 coupon. This is how much is this? Yeah, this was $7.49. We do have a $5 coupon attaching to this and $1.50 coming back from Ibotta. And then we got the Garnier, which is the reason why I wanted to go to the store today, because we have the leave-in conditioners, I want to say. There's a high value coupon for $10 off of 3. Unfortunately, my store was out. I only had 1 left, so I didn't want to pick that up. But these are on promotion. 2 for $8, buy 2 and you get back $3. Now this is where I messed up. My son was with me and they've been asking me for these toothbrushes forever and a day, right? And when he picked it up, I was like, you know what, let me check and see if they're on any particular promotion. Well, they are on promotion for spend $14 or over, you're gonna get back $7 in register rewards. This is where I messed up. As you can see, this is an Oral-B. This is the spin brush. Oral-B spin brush. So he just picked them up because he wanted to pick up, what he wanted for himself, his sister, and his brother. So he wanted the Spider-Man. He got the Frozen for his sister, and then he got the Paw Patrol for his brother. I didn't think to check. Oh, this is not an Oral-B toothbrush. It doesn't qualify. I just thought, oh, it's just Paw Patrol. Why not? Well, when I got to the register, I did not get that $7 printout for this, unfortunately, because I was like, what's wrong? Is it not working? It's Sunday? No, because this is Arm & Hammer, and I didn't realize it until after I looked at the receipt. And it's not $7.29. It's also $6.99. And I did not get the $3 for this, as you can see, because it's not $3.50 or $3 or $4. It's 2 for $5. I'm sorry, it's $5, which is ridiculous, but it's $5. So, but ironically, I was able to still get back the $10 in Walgreens cash. I think because these were supposed to be $7.50, and I think the difference was like 29 cents here. So it still made up for that. So let's look at my receipt. Here is the Oral-B, the wrong ones, the whole blends, the Tresemme, the Oral-B at $7.29, the Gold Bond, and that was supposed to be my other Oral-B product, but it is an Arm & Hammer spin toothbrush. All right, so for register rewards that I used, a 6.5 and a 6 that I had. For coupons, $5 for the Tresemme came off, $5 for the Gold Bond came off, and hold on, guys, $3 and $3. So $3 for the whole blends, $3 for this, $5 and $5. So I didn't have any coupons for these toothbrushes. And then paid the rest out of pocket. And then I did get back the $10 for spending $45 here. And then, so that put my total over 20, but I didn't think that I was gonna get over 20, so I didn't use $20 on here. We'll go over that. And then I did submit back my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2.50, so $1.50 for this, and this also had a rebate for $1, so got $1 extra back here. Now for my next transaction, so because I got 2 of these toothbrushes, I had to get another one of this. So I got one of the children's one at $7.29, and then this was also included. So I was like, why not get one for me too? So this was $8.99. I believe that took me over the 40. And then I did the Garnier again, and then I did these. These are on promotion for buy 2 to get back $5 in register reward. There was an Ibotta rebate. I did this last week and my Ibotta rebate did not reset. So if you still have that rebate, you may be able to get back up to $4. Now, let me show you guys my receipt. I wanted to get over to $30 so that I can meet that last spend requirement and also use $10 in Walgreens cash. So here's the Fructis, here's the Crest gum, here's the Crest Brilliance. Here are the 2 Oral-B products, $7.29 and $8.99. And these also have $4 coupon and a $4 coupon. Now, I was a little bit thrown off when it comes to the coupons, guys. So here's the $3 that I got back from the Fructis that I used. Here's the $2 from the Tresemme that I got back, and I used that. And then here's the $5 that came off. This $5 came off of one of the crusts, and $3 came off the fruities. Now the $4 didn't come off. I thought maybe because I had like a 5 off of 3 or something. No, it just did not attach. But I had a surprise $5 one that came off, which was great. And I checked my redeem coupons. And when you check your redeem coupons, you have to do that on the web. It won't show up on the app. And then let me show you guys what I got back. I got back this $10 for if you spend $20 in store with Schick, you're gonna get back $10 in store rewards, which I think this might be your register reward. And then I got back the $3 for the Garnier. I got back the $7 for spending $14. So it is working if you are picking up the right products. So they have to be the Oral-B products. So $7 there. And then I got back $5 for buying 2 of these. So overall, pretty good transactions. I forgot to mention that I did contact customer service via the chat, and they were able to give me back what I missed, which was about $21. I'll post that so you guys can see it as well. Okay, and then I did get back the $20 in Walgreens cash. As you guys can see, I used $10 and I got back the $20 in Walgreens cash. I actually forgot to insert this, but I'll put it where it belongs. Some other deals we have included are on these bigger Tide Pods. They are on promotion for $12.99. Buy 2, get back $4 in register rewards. Oh my gosh. And then we also have the Gain. They are $9.99. And then on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. So the liquids and the pods are included. You get back $7. So they come out to about $3.25, which is pretty good. They're about half off when you consider it. Well, this was a little bit more expensive, but it's okay. So overall, this is what I've got for you guys. Remember to please subscribe. I did take a picture of my receipt to submit to Fetch. I didn't get anything back from any of these. Again, if you have an Ibotta rebate for these, you'll get back the $4. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.